So hello everyone, today we are going to see a 3 BHK model flat at Abhee Silicon Shine, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore East. This is the living room. Here is a dining space with a beautiful chandelier. We have a spacious balcony over here. Here we have the L-shaped kitchen with a utility space. This is a master bedroom with an attached washroom. This is a common washroom. This is a second bedroom with an attached balcony. And lastly, this is the third bedroom with an attached washroom. If you're looking to buy flat in this project, call us at our given number on the screen. For more such amazing properties, subscribe to our channel and see you again.